First up,
a groundbreaking innovation emerges in the field of medical technology as scientists introduce a subcutaneous wireless charger designed to power medical devices from beneath the skin, with the added feature of safely dissolving within the body. This transformative approach eliminates the need for external power sources and mitigates the challenges associated with replacing or recharging implantable medical device batteries.
next up,
IBM introduces a nanosheet transistor capable of withstanding extreme conditions, including boiling nitrogen. This breakthrough marks a significant advancement in the durability and robustness of nanoscale electronics. The nanosheet transistor's ability to endure harsh environments, such as boiling nitrogen, opens up possibilities for its integration into a variety of applications, from space exploration to industrial settings.
moving forward,
In a remarkable fusion of biology and robotics, tiny robots constructed from human cells exhibit promising capabilities in the realm of wound healing. These innovative constructs, composed of living cells, hold the potential to revolutionize the field of regenerative medicine. The tiny robots, designed to mimic natural cellular structures, demonstrate a capacity to navigate and assist in wound repair processes.
moving forward,
In a unique approach to weight management, a vibrating pill is introduced to deceive the stomach into perceiving a sense of fullness. This pioneering solution involves the pill emitting gentle vibrations, creating a sensation that signals to the brain that the stomach is satiated. The potential applications of this vibrating pill in curbing overeating and aiding weight loss present a non-invasive and intriguing avenue for those seeking alternative methods to manage their dietary habits.
next up,
Researchers delve into transcranial electrical stimulation, focusing on the cerebellum to boost training efficiency and skill acquisition. This cutting-edge technique involves applying low electrical currents to the cerebellum, a brain region associated with motor control and learning. By fine-tuning the neural pathways involved in skill development, transcranial electrical stimulation holds promise for accelerating the learning curve.
moving forward,
Researchers unveil a groundbreaking approach to blood glucose monitoring by utilizing magnetic fields for non-invasive measurements. This pioneering technology eliminates the need for traditional blood sampling, offering a more comfortable and convenient method for individuals managing diabetes. The magnetic field-based monitoring system provides real-time data, enhancing the accuracy and accessibility of glucose level measurements.
moving forward,
A groundbreaking innovation emerges in cancer treatment as new flexible X-ray detectors promise to revolutionize the field. These state-of-the-art detectors offer a flexible and adaptable approach to X-ray imaging, potentially enhancing the precision and effectiveness of cancer diagnosis and treatment. The technology's flexibility allows for improved imaging of challenging anatomical areas, providing oncologists with clearer insights for targeted therapy.
And that's it for today. If you like what we are making, then please show support by subscribing, hitting that like button. That will motivate us. And so you are still here, then please comment your favorite part and suggest any improvement. Thank you for watching till here.